Hey guys, and welcome back to the Sun Princess and all it has to offer. We first stopped by the International Café, which you saw, to grab a cup of coffee before the rooms were ready. The room that we will be staying in is cabin 5225 here on the Sun Princess. It is located, as you see, near the Lotus Spa on the same floor. Not sure if you noticed it there, but we did not have a key card. What we have is a medallion, and I'll show you more about that in just a minute because there are some features that I think that you might find interesting. You'll notice that this room is an ocean view room. For all of you who have watched my videos, you know that I'm a balcony girl. It's easier for me to film, and I'll be honest, I love the sound of the water. Is that your luggage down there? That's not your luggage. This is so... I'm okay with the window as long as I can see. But the room's bigger. Yeah. We found a good deal on this room, and we thought with the seating and the way it was laid out, it might be better. And as you heard me say, it was definitely bigger. So now let's check out the room. Let's come in. Bathroom's here. We'll go in a minute. Gosh, really nice thick drawers with soft clothes. That's nice. Means you're not waking up your neighbors. Safe. Another one up there. Oh, kind of like the yacht club as far as the light coming on when you come in. Plenty of shelves. Another little shelf at the bottom. Plenty of hangers, goodness. So your thermostat is here, your lights are here. You do not have to put a cruise card in. I guess they know you're in because of your medallion. You'll see in just a moment, I show you how it operates. When you walk up to the door, it lights up green, letting you know it recognizes you, and it opens the door. You first are given this, a medallion lanyard, but what you can do is purchase either on board, or that's the medallion itself there, or ahead of time. I suggest ahead of time, it's a little cheaper, a band to wear around your wrist if a lanyard is not your thing. Nice mirror here. So you have USB and a plug next to the bed. Your lights are behind here. This comes on when you pull it out. Well, for those of you who missed that sound, there you go. It's just an announcement for those who don't know. They happen often. No, they don't happen in the room all the time. A lot of times you have to go outside or there's a speaker that you can turn up. Just make sure you do your muster drill first, guys. Soft close there too. If you were here, gotta listen to the message. Since you are not here, you do not have to listen to that video. But it is overall a very nice room. Good light, definitely good light considering it is just a small window here. A nice little area to be able to sit and look outside. You do have some drapes that you can pull. Say you're sitting there or my sister's sitting there and we just kind of want to not let the light in, but you still want to sit there. You can do that. We did that actually a few times, to be honest. But we found the room definitely had more room in it, not having the balcony. So I think you really have to decide what is going to be most important to you. Truthfully, you do your research on that specific room prior to see what's going to be the most important thing for you when you cruise. I usually do my shower test and I do it here It is definitely a good sized shower. You've got good room. The products that were there were also nice. It is nice that the handle to turn it on is right there and you don't have to kind of lean into the shower fully. Overall, I give it an A. The room itself definitely had plenty of storage and was a good room overall. As you can see, my sister would sit there and just kind of watch outside. I would do the same thing first thing in the morning. So I hope you found this video helpful, and make sure you're subscribed so that you don't miss anything. We've got more great things coming your way. To all who are subscribed, guys, thanks so much. I truly appreciate you being part of our community. Until the next adventure, guys.